Dort vorne geht es runter. Da kommt jetzt gerade ein Tornado raus.
Ja.
Gibt gute Fotos, ne?
Ich glaube es, ja. Ich habe keine Zeit zum Schauen. Ich glaube,
What is normali tornado! Miluno!
I have my kids a guitar so I can play bass on it.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I played a lot louder this morning.
But, oh yeah, something's gonna happen, dude.
Look at that, it's crazy.
Hey, stay over here.
To my south, Lord. Keep my wife safe, she's over there, Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.